Welcome back to Tech Mania. Today we're tackling a problem every traveler and tech enthusiast has faced: the desperate need for more power outlets in spaces where they're notoriously scarce. We're looking at the Addtam flat plug power strip, a cruise ship essential that might just be the most clever travel gadget you never knew you needed. Be sure to check the link in the description to get one for yourself and subscribe for more smart tech solutions. The genius of this power strip lies in its ultra-flat plug design. Unlike bulky traditional plugs that can block adjacent outlets, this lies completely flush against the wall. This is particularly crucial in cruise ship cabins, hotel rooms, and dormitories where outlet space is extremely limited and often poorly positioned. With 6 AC outlets, this compact strip provides ample power for all your devices. You can charge your laptop, phone, tablet, smartwatch, and still have ports to spare for a camera battery or other essentials. The 1-foot extension cord is the perfect length for managing cables neatly without creating a tangled mess. It's important to note this is not a surge protector. This is a deliberate design choice because surge protectors are actually prohibited on most cruise ships due to their potential to interfere with the ship's electrical systems. This makes the Addtam strip fully compliant with cruise line regulations while still solving your power needs. The build quality is solid with a durable black casing that resists scratches and impacts during travel. The outlet spacing is well designed to accommodate larger power adapters without blocking adjacent ports. The compact size makes it easy to pack in any luggage or backpack. Beyond cruising, this power strip is incredibly useful for dorm rooms where outlet space is always at a premium, for home offices where you need to power multiple monitors and peripherals, or for any room with inconveniently placed wall outlets. It's the ultimate solution for maximizing power access in minimal space. What's your biggest power outlet frustration when traveling? Share your stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching Tech Mania.